A little more persistence, a little more effort, and what seemed hopeless failure may turn to glorious success. You are solely responsible for your success and your failure. As long as you blame others for the reason you aren't where you want to be, you will always be a failure. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Fall down 7 times and stand up 8. It does not matter how slowly you go, so long as you do not stop. It always seems impossible until it's done. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. I may not be there yet, but I'm closer than I was yesterday. With ordinary talent and extraordinary perseverance, all things are attainable. Creativity is just connecting things. Creativity and innovation are about finding unexpected solutions to obvious problems, or finding obvious solutions to unexpected problems. When all think alike, then no one is thinking. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. When I meet successful people, I ask about who they attribute their success to. It is usually the same: persistence, hard work, and hiring good people.